You see the brother they will stab up the tank. All if the story a prank. My lord, I'm very disappointed in you. So disappointed. You stab the tank too high.
A man buying me a tank can't stop me from fuck on him. I fuck any man when I want.
Let me just clear up this part. The woman is not right for what she did because she could have done it better. Even if she planned to cheat, I don't condone it. But even if she did plan to cheat, she could have gone somewhere far like a hotel or so she didn't have to do it.
You see the guy who burst the tank, the water tank, he said for me people, me that do the same thing too.
What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a like and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss the conversation we talk about here every time. Today's story is one of those situations that starts with a heartbreak, but quickly turns into something much bigger. Just imagine discovering the person you trust, the person you love is with someone else. And in that emotional moment, instead of walking away, you just decide to destroy, something valuable. Would you call that maybe pain? Would you call it revenge? Or is there a line that should never be crossed? Stay with me because this story has divided the internet. And by the end, I want your honest opinion in the comments. Let's watch the video and I'll be back with more commentary.
I can't even remember when me upset such a blood clot. After me buy woman a tank, cause the woman have water problem at her place. And I say, yo, I go check it woman and I go woman here. You know when I say woman have man lock up in her house, brother. All me I call the woman now come out. And me see her and the man in the place. What you know that? Tell me true.
You see the brother they will stab up the tank. All if the story a prank. My lord, I'm very disappointed in you. So disappointed. You stab the tank too high. You should have stabbed the tank look lower, below the belt. Every drip of water should have drained out of the tank. The dirty girl and the butterfoot boy should have nothing to be with. You see, pray. When girl turn on pipe a pour that's supposed to come out a pipe, every drip of water drain out. You see, pray, dry. You see, pray. Over the years, I mean I talk the decent woman them now. Me attack some butterfoot and some butter ears girl when I want to know to life. Cause the only thing somebody live for free grounded man. Just have man a crawl up in them all over the place, the 14 parish. You see, pray. They don't respect people 9 to 5. They don't respect the hustle. They don't respect the kindness of a man. You understand me I say? And when they done, then come talk about how man mean and the only thing man want from them a pum pum. Cause they not nothing to put on the table, Pum pum, pum pum, pum pum, all the way. Them out dead that just give pum pum. They not do nothing for 50-50 with the man. They not do 70-30. They not do 40-60. Nothing at all they not do. Just in a man life, all them around back a man with a pum pum, pum pum, pum pum. You see, pray. You want some wash pum pum, man want some wash in kakito. 50-50. I say if you go, yeah. So you have more privilege than man. You have more emotion than man. Man have emotion, woman have emotion. Man have privilege, woman have privilege. That's how you go. So me know who tell you to Raja so important than man. That's why we important. You see, pray. I want to talk about independence more and be independent. That's why I feel independent. You don't want independent for disrespect man. You don't want independent for act as if you don't have cocky if you talk down to man. I feel no independence so you wish and hope for. You understand me? I say some of them man if they not turn up on their foot, you don't pitch them round like a girl. You see, pray. And yes, me know so them man some of them a bitch. You see, pray. Make woman feel like they have cocky over them. You understand me? I deal it. See? Back to the story. Yeah. Man sacrifice and give you tank now. Probably you know I run round out of door now with bucket I catch water for carry in the house. In the old cold front here. A man make sacrifice now. If you come buy you a tank fi put on your house so you can get running water fi bathe with it. And you lock up in there with one like a sour crutches boy. Yeah, your sour self. Man out of door call you. And you feel like staying off your answer man. Can you get where you want? You get where you want. And that's why you no found up in a shallow grave. And that's why you no found no disappear. See? Because you love you, no love you no. You no care for you, no care for you no. You no quick if you do for you, no do for you no. You see it? And the man hope they willing to go on everything and anything. See? You no choose to disrespect that them man there. And all not get from some boy a source of rig. Source of rig. See? And all in our intention of if you're going to put on you over the place. Because that you no live for. You no can't change from who you is because someone stay. See? When you no respect yourself, so you not respect the man. See? And when you don't know say man mean, and you only think man want a pum pum. But I don't mean man mean, you know. A wise man I get wise. Two no butter foot girl, or no butter years girl. You see, Heartbreak, man get to understand so someone no want nothing. So the man tend to do your go and love yourself and take care of yourself and tap waste time pa uno. You see, pray. God bless if you look a good man them out there. But respect man hustle, respect them man, respect him man 9 to 5. Seeing? And someone to Raja at the end of the day, you enjoy. Man laughing after no man. So look a dirty boy. Are you man that? Yes, you fool that. Yeah. So me no wrong the man to stab up with tank. Stab up with blows not. Stab you up. Man, you should have turned in a mesh marina. You should have turned the tank in a mesh marina. Holy should have done all over it, bro. You see, that's why I'm disappointed in you. You understand me? I deal with it. You think I look a man miss sacrifice and send no man to school? Sell all them care for send no man to school? Eh? Who want to nurse, who want to doctor, who want to teacher. A man make a sacrifice to do all of that, and the only thing a girl graduate with is an next man in a demand face and laugh after the man after that. Can you get where you want and want the man again? You see, pre. So when you look at Butterfoot, girl out take man for fool. When you look at Butter years, girl out take man for fool. I say me not they look decent to man them out. They big up on yourself decent to man to take care of no man and have no man back. You see, pre. Seeing and take care of no man hustle. You see, pre. Seeing. But no for them woman, yeah, they not worth it. Seeing? I feel like the punan is hard that we throw up a man. Seeing? You want to wash your pum pum, man wants to wash them khaki. Seeing? You have emotion, man have emotion too. You want privilege, man have privilege too. You see, pre, 50-50 the game goes. You know what woman me know sit down a yard for 6 years, 4 years, and man have to take care of their necessary needs and never show them a bad face. Make a man sit down for all 1 month. Some of them women here, by the time the month fi done a bad face, the man I get from them. What happen? You know, get up, go do something. Me tired to see you. You just sit down in the house and do nothing. You see, pray. Seeing? So no found when no son want be independent. A man no want con disrespect. A man no want talk dump and like you have cocky. Seeing? I wouldn't want be the cocky in the house when no son want be independent. Be disrespect man. You don't live for from boat and go. That is it.
I see you all yamming up yourself in the comment section, especially the man them, like, get a hold on yourself, because I never came out and said the female was right. I only said it's a waste man style like to buy a female stuff and end up take it back or destroy it, because I did there with her, you did fuck her all along, so why taking it back? That don't make no sense. You can't give her back the sex them what she give you, like where you give her that a picnic style. And let me just clear up this part. The woman is not right for what she did, because she could have done it better. Even if she planned to cheat, I don't condone it. But even if she did plan to cheat, she could have gone somewhere far like a hotel, so she didn't have to do it in presence, so she know him will come and dead and can enter anytime or whatever. So she's wrong for doing it in his face like that. I never gave her right. All I was saying, I do not agree with the fact say the man destroy back everything. Me here say I'll carry him by and take back, like him take back everything. Like you were with this female. I don't know how long them did that, but the fact say you did that with her, you never have to take back every single thing and mash up and destroy everything. Because who do you like the man them will bash me. Una try to tell me say if a man a cheat on him woman then and she catch him red handed, she have all right to take back everything that she give him, right? Or not answer that. That means we have a right to take back everything we go no, burn no clothes, take back money, take back whatever, anything we go no, don't it? Because that's not try to tell me no too unfair, no too biased. Like una behave like say. And I una the same man walk a look people girl pick me. I una same man walk a look people girl pick me. I una the same set of man them we bash me now. I una same man walk a look the woman them wanna know in our relationship. Una female under the worst. Of course we entitled to. We should. And y'all niggas be the same niggas that walk and try to in a relationship with every woman wanna see, knowing that they have a partner that taking care of them and support them. And lot of women do the same thing what a girl they do. It's just because people don't know about it. So when I kill up on yourself in the comment section and I say, oh, him should do this and him should take this and him should burn up this and that. Y'all niggas are the same thing. A lot of females know it enough and no cheap on them same way. It's just that you don't get catch yet. So why wanna behave so? And for some woman we are run up in my comment section, I said what I said. I said it's a waste man style to take back things where man give them and knowing that them they together. No for no female no bad mind too, because true nobody not buying nothing, true no man not buying nothing, no envy other girl we are get it, no move and go away. Yeah, no for uno man, no cheat on no woman to not talk about the man do a right thing and if she do worse than that. No for uno guys, no cheat on no woman will help uno and just true she know always know no continue do it same way. What if she take back everything where she go uno? There's two sides to every story. I didn't say the female was right for what she did because she could have do it better. She never did have to do it so disrespectful in her face. But at the same time, my point is him could have deal with it better than that. He never did have to destroy everything when gear. That's all I was saying.
You see the guy who burst the tank, the water tank. Is if when me people, me da do the same thing too. Me da do the same thing. But guess what? You see the man who punch at the tank, me people, him punch at the tank too high. Him shoulda punch at the tank more lower. Yeah man, him shoulda punch at the tank more lower, me people. Yes, him shoulda punch at the tank down where the so every drip of water leak out. So when the burner man done do him a do and ready to go bathe up, or two of them ready to go bathe up or use bathroom, nothing no did they for bathe them off. Me say for me people, me punch at the tank way down at the lower section. Every drip of water will run out. Big up the man who bust the tank. Enough respect to you. Yeah man, big up yourself man. True believer. Big up yourself. That is it.
No, I almost want to see the viral video I go around with the man stop up the tank because him get to find out say the woman have man in her place. And I just see another video again where him mash up the TV. Right? A lot of us would want it to go this way. Or a lot of us would say this because when I just see the video with him stop up the tank, me I say, you know, sometimes we hurt and we do some things, but sometimes we have to be smart about things because what we would like to do or what some people calm, you know, you have some people calm, would I just come there, find a way or get out the water and just take up them tank and gone, right? Now damage it because it's a waste of money. Likewise with the TV, just come and pack up my things them and put it in our truck, just come in a moving truck and just move all the things them. Because to me, them things they kind of hurt more. But you see feelings, and you see when you're angry, you do some things. Can't maybe when him calm down, you might say, boy, I probably should have mashed them up, should I just move them out, right? But you see feelings and anger will cause us to do some things. And you see, because if I were in the situation with us saying, well, my idiot, him should have left out the things them or him should have left the things them or whatever. But in feelings valid. You get what I say? And females don't have to stop it. Wanna not learn. Every time when I take the man them things them and the man them I kill you off because them find out so they don't want them. If you don't want the man them, don't take them things. All if them are true and the things them pound, you know, so the man them is true and the things them pound because them want to know. If you don't want the man, don't take him things and know it's another man who don't want. And it really goes both ways, but we know it's a really man it happen to most. Man furnish out the house woman and them something and then them carry out a man. Man them a kill off the people them too much. And me that's a better mash up the things them than him kill her if tell her the truth. But when you stop tell the man them things them and tell the man them for fool.
Man with the water jug, right? We catch him woman a cheat. After him buy the blood clot water tank, you see me, and cut up the water tank after him go to the woman yard and the woman a fuck on him, see it? Ladies, hear me I say, big woman thing. Put the feelings aside, bro. Make we be logical now. See it? If you go to and help a man buy a car, right? And you go see the boy a fucking at the car after the boy not have the full money. You the punch of the blood clot for Terry. You the lick out couple window. You see me I say? You to make sure the car can't move again. Me feel like so you should have call him no mama man and him at this. Me don't know. Me feel like ladies don't know say boy me don't know. You don't fuck up for that one. You don't fuck up. Facts.
Thank you for staying. A viral video becomes circulating showing a Jamaican man reacting after allegedly catching his girlfriend cheating. Now, heartbreak itself is already difficult. People experience betrayal differently. Some may cry, some disappear, some they confront the situation direct. Some never speak again. But this reaction went into another level. According to the story being discussed online, the man became overwhelmed with emotion and ended up damaging the woman's water tank. That's his own way of reacting. At first, some people watching online laughed. Others treated it like, you know, some sort of entertainment. You know, maybe they are acting, maybe they are clout chasing. But once people started thinking deep about it, their reaction changed. Because this one is just random, property damage. In Jamaica, water storage tanks are something many homes depend on every day. Because water isn't simply convenience. It affects cooking, cleaning, bathing, daily life. So suddenly the conversation became bigger than cheating. People started asking, was this heartbreak? Was this anger? Or was this punishment? People were talking. And immediately the internet split into different sides. One group defended the man. The argument sounded something like this. If someone betrays you emotionally, people shouldn't expect you to remain calm. That's the argument. There's other people who are saying he didn't hurt anyone physically, he was just expressing pain in his own way. People explain their pain in their own way. That reaction isn't surprising because betrayal creates emotions that feel intense. Emotions like, shock, anger, embarrassment, and disappointment, especially when someone feels publicly humiliated. But then there was another side. People were seen asking, why do we normalize distractions whenever emotions become difficult? Why do we celebrate explosive reactions as if losing control equals to strength? Because when you think about it, if someone cheats, does destroying something actually fix anything? Does it? Does it remove betrayal? Does it restore maybe some sense of respect? Most times it leaves even more damage behind because you are destroying something. And that became the bigger discussion. Things get a little more interesting. A lot of people weren't really defending distractions. They were defending the feeling behind it. That feeling of something like, you embarrassed me, you made me look too weak, you disrespected me. And in many cultures, not just Jamaica, public embarrassment can hit hard. Some people react more to wounded pride than actual heartbreak. But there's something powerful to think about. Real strength doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes, strength looks boring. Strength can mean living, to get the strength to live in a relationship. You can even block the partner. You can even, end the relationship. You can even choose just to go just silent, not talking to the partner. You can also refuse to become the villain in your own story because emotional control isn't weakness. It's actually difficult. Anyone can explode. Anyone can react. Not everyone can remain composed while hurting. That doesn't mean, suppress your emotions. It means choosing what happens next. You are the one who chooses what happens next. So if someone experiences betrayal, what actually helps? First, please accept the pain is real. Pretending you are unaffected usually doesn't work, definitely, because it actually happened. Secondly, avoid making permanent decisions during temporary emotions. That one emotional moment can become a lifelong consequence. And maybe another thing maybe you can consider thirdly is live with dignity. Sometimes the most powerful message is we can say this, I know my value and I'm walking away. No drama, no distractions. You don't have to prove anything. No need. No drama, no distraction, no proving anything. Because at the end of the day, someone cheating says more about their choices than your worth. And protecting your peace is worth more than winning the moment, The story really, divided people. Some people in the video say they see revenge, some see heartbreak, some see emotional immaturity. I want to hear from you guys. If someone cheats, do you think emotional reactions like this is understandable? Is it justifiable to do something like this? Or should people always walk away no matter how painful the situation is? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this discussion, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who always has strong opinions on relationship. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.